Caterpillar is an American industrial company best known for its large yellow machines. The company manufactures and sells construction equipment, mining trucks, diesel and gas engines, turbines, generators, and other power systems. Its products are used in construction, mining, energy, transportation, industrial operations, and data centers. So even if Caterpillar is not a company most people think about every day, its equipment plays an important role in building infrastructure, moving materials, extracting resources, and providing reliable power. And Caterpillar's reach is enormous. The company has more than 4 million Cat products at work globally, supported by about 150 dealers and thousands of branches around the world. That gives Caterpillar a massive base of machines, engines, and power systems to support over many years. To understand how Caterpillar's business really works, there are 3 core insights investors should pay attention to. The first insight is, every machine can create years of service revenue. A Caterpillar machine is not a short-term product. It is a long-life industrial asset that can operate for many years in construction, mining, energy, transportation, and infrastructure projects. And once that machine goes to work, the customer continues to need support. They need replacement parts, maintenance, repairs, inspections, digital monitoring, and, in many cases, rebuilds or replacement equipment. This is why Caterpillar's installed base is so valuable. The company has more than 4 million Cat products at work globally. That number is not just a sign of scale. It represents a large foundation for future service demand. For example, a mining truck may need engine components, drivetrain parts, and major rebuilds over its working life. A construction excavator may need hydraulic repairs, undercarriage parts, filters, and regular maintenance. A generator may need monitoring and servicing to stay reliable. This is also why parts and services make the business more resilient. New equipment sales can rise and fall with construction, mining, energy, and industrial cycles. When the cycle slows, customers may delay buying new machines, but they usually cannot stop maintaining the equipment they already own. In some cases, they may even extend the life of existing equipment instead of replacing it immediately, which makes repairs, rebuilds, and replacement parts more important. So Caterpillar can still earn from equipment already in the field, even when demand for new machines becomes weaker. This is not just a small add-on to the equipment sale. In 2025, services contributed about $24 billion to Caterpillar's revenue, or more than 35% of total sales and revenues. That shows how important the installed base has become. Caterpillar is not only trying to sell more equipment each year, it is also monetizing millions of machines, engines, and power systems that are already working for customers around the world. For investors, this means Caterpillar's installed base is not just evidence of what the company sold in the past. It is a continuing source of future demand. The second insight is, Caterpillar's dealer network is a powerful moat. A Caterpillar machine is only valuable if it keeps working. In heavy equipment, customers do not just care about the machine itself. They care about uptime. A mining truck that stops working can slow down production. An excavator that breaks down can delay a construction project. A generator that fails at a data center, factory, or energy site can create serious operational risk. So when customers choose Caterpillar, they are not only choosing the equipment, they are also choosing the support system behind it. That is where Caterpillar's dealer network comes in. Built over roughly a century, Caterpillar is supported today by about 150 independent dealers and thousands of branches around the world. That network gives customers access to parts, technicians, repairs, maintenance, rebuilds, rentals, financing support, and local service. This is difficult for competitors to copy. A competitor can build a strong machine or offer a lower price. But it is much harder to build the local presence, parts availability, trained workforce, logistics, and customer trust that Caterpillar has built over decades. This is why Caterpillar's extensive dealer network is a strong competitive advantage. It turns product support into customer loyalty. When customers know they can get parts, technicians, and service quickly, they have a stronger reason to stay with Caterpillar over time. For investors, this means Caterpillar's advantage is not only in its products. It is in the entire system around those products. The machine may be the visible part of Caterpillar, But the dealer network is what helps keep customers loyal for years. The third insight is engines, generators, and power systems are now Caterpillar's largest business. Bulldozers, excavators, loaders, and mining trucks are built for difficult work. They operate under heavy loads, for long hours, and often in harsh environments. To make those machines reliable, Caterpillar had to develop strong engine and powertrain expertise inside the company. Over time, that expertise became useful beyond Caterpillar's own equipment. The company expanded into engines, turbines, generators, and power systems for outside customers in oil and gas, industrial markets, transportation, marine, rail, electric power, and power generation. What started as a natural extension of Caterpillar's machine business gradually became a major standalone segment. By 2025, power and energy had become Caterpillar's largest segment. After excluding intra-segment transactions, power and energy generated about $27 billion in revenue, representing around 40% of Caterpillar's total revenue. That made it larger than construction industries, which generated about $25 billion. That is a major shift. Many investors still think of Caterpillar mainly as a construction equipment company, but its largest segment is now tied to engines, generators, turbines, and power systems. And this segment is now being boosted by AI data center demand. AI requires massive computing capacity. That computing capacity needs data centers. And data centers need reliable electricity and backup power. That creates strong demand for power generation equipment, and Caterpillar is already seeing the impact. In 2025, Caterpillar's power generation sales grew by roughly 32%, rising from about $7.8 billion to about $10.3 billion. For investors, this changes how Caterpillar should be viewed. Power and energy gives the company a stronger role in power infrastructure, at a time when AI and data centers are increasing demand for reliable electricity. At its core, Caterpillar is still exposed to construction, mining, energy, and industrial cycles. But it has several ways to stay relevant through those cycles. Even when customers slow down new equipment purchases, millions of Cat products still need parts, service, repairs, and rebuilds. Customers still depend on Caterpillar's dealer network to keep operations running. And power and energy gives the company another growth angle as data centers and AI increase demand for reliable power. So Caterpillar should not be judged only by the number of new machines it sells. The bigger picture is the ecosystem around those machines. Parts, dealers, service, and power are what make Caterpillar harder to replace.